Hi, Doonistas. It's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and this is just a very quick, impromptu stroll through Dillard's. I needed to get out and get some mental clarity today, so I just thought that I would mask up and stroll through Dillard's. So these are just some items on their clearance rack. This here is a bag from the Woven collection, and it was on clearance for $97.30. And so I just wanted to try it on just to see how it would look. It kind of reminds me of the editor's tote. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but very cute little bag, very comfortable. I don't think you could put much in it, but it was really, really cute. So guys, this was one that I just kept going back to. This is the Woven Camden, and this is the regular size. This is not the large. At first I thought it was the large because it did fit kind of big. So I have been wanting to try on this style of bag in person because I've seen the large, and I figured the large was too big, and this actually confirmed it. So this is the tote in the Woven collection. So I just wanted to give that a try just to see how it looks. I'm still on the fence about this leather, but the more and more I tried it on in the store, it kind of grew on me a little bit. So I just want to try on a couple of pieces in that collection. So here is just another rack here. Here is a Florentine satchel, you guys. This poor little satchel has been scratched up and beat up and handled, and I tried to rub out the scratches, but those scratches were very, very deep. I'm sure you could get them out if you were to take a soft cloth and get the scratches out. So here is another collection that I wanted to take a look at. This is the new Pebbled leather collection, and for most of us, we absolutely fell in love with these initials. So I wanted to get a close-up look, and they are absolutely beautiful and just a nice, cute little touch. So these are some nylon Wayfarers. I think this is from the Wayfarer collection. Very nice little hobo styles, and here are the totes in that same collection. Very nice and well made. And we just move over to some of the other colors in that collection. There's the black as well as the Kelly green, the red, and the navy behind, and a cute little pink. And these are just some of the crossbodies from that same collection in that cute little pink. And that is a smaller drawstring at the bottom. And this actually reminds me of the small Camden tote. So now we're on to the fun stuff. One here is the Novelty Ashton shopper and a Greta Tammy tote. And here are some little signature crossbodies from the Greta collection. Another Tammy tote. A little hobo here, and then this is just a smaller satchel from the Blakely collection. And here we just have some cute little wallets, one Florentine and some more little signature. And for our birdie girls, here are some beautiful ostrich pieces. That yellow is absolutely stunning in person, very beautiful. This is a very well-made collection. So here I kept going back to this Blakely satchel. I actually kind of like it. In person, it's a lot larger than your normal satchel. So guys, I think I kind of fell in love with that one, but it was not on sale, so that was already a no-go. But very cute little satchel. And here I go again. I'm back at this Woven Camden, and it was on sale for $104.30, regularly $2.98. I thought it was a very good deal, and I couldn't get over it being so stiff, so that's why I kept pressing it down. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this collection if you own this collection? And as you can see, guys, I have on my little novelty shopper that I unboxed in my last video. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.